This April, Hello Otter Group is taking a stand for sustainability and turning our attention to one of Earth's precious gems, Balboa Park in San Diego, California. As visitor numbers have soared, so has the litter throughout this park. In response, we partnered with a dedicated team at Forever Balboa Park for an important initiative, cleaning up and preserving the natural beauty of this beautiful park. Together, we're committed to making an impact. Our teams are on the ground, equipped and excited, not just to clean, but to inspire every visitor to leave the park better than they found it. As we remove trash and restore trails, we're also fostering a community dedicated to conservation and respect for nature. This is more than just a cleanup, it's a pledge to our community and to the future generations.